Is there a happy ending to the saga of Lakshmi Devi? Will she ever stand up from her yoga asana? Will she ever get to embrace the chest of Krishna? How many thousands of years must she do it? Already 5,000 years have passed. Well, there's good news, folks. One form of Lakshmi is still there in Belvan, because this is Nitya Leela. So she's still doing tapasya. But her desire was, I'm embracing the chest of my husband Narayan and Vaikuntha, and I massage his feet. But the gopis of Braj, they're getting to embrace the chest of Madhurya Purushottam Sri Krishna, and they also massage his feet. Oh, I wish I could embrace his chest. So then Vishnu Chakravarti has revealed from some Upanishads that he revealed that Krishna reciprocated. He came to meet Lakshmi Devi and Belvan. He said, oh, what are you doing? He said, I want to embrace you. And he said, that's not possible. But I will keep a golden line. I will keep you on my chest as a golden line. It's called Lakshmi Rekha. Lakshmi Rekha means this Sona Rekha, this golden line of the golden form of Lakshmi. So whether it's the line of Lakshmi or the name of Lakshmi or form or qualities or pastimes, if that aspect of Lakshmi is surcharged with prem, then Lakshmi Devi herself is there. So the Braja Gopis are also reasoning in this verse. They're talking about Lakshmi Devi. Verse 37, Lakshmi Devi, whose glance is sought after by the demigods with great endeavor, has achieved the unique position of always remaining on the chest of her Lord Narayan. Still, she desires the dust of your lotus feet, Sri Krishna. She desires the dust of his feet, although she has to share it. So similarly, we are the consorts and energy of you and the Shaktis of you. We desire to embrace you and serve your lotus feet. So the Braja Gopis are reasoning, and we say, the Braja Gopis are reasoning that you accepted her, Lakshmi. So listen, stubborn one, because earlier, when the Gopis were in a more intimate mood of speaking, they called Krishna Duravagraha. Hey Duravagraha, hey Duravagraha, hey stubborn one. Just accept us too in the same intimate and loving way. So in Vishnu's commentary on the Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, chapter 15, verse 8, he says, Lakshmi Devi in Vaikuntha once performed severe austerities, actually still going on, to attain the loving embrace of Krishna and Braj. And Krishna met her and said, this is his tika, Krishna said, oh Sri Devi, your position is in Vaikuntha. What are you doing here anyway, in Belvan? This is not your place. You're from Russia, aren't you? You go back. Your position is Vaikuntha. So it's impossible for you to embrace me in Vrindavan, because besides you dwell upon my chest, it's impossible for you to live or stay on my chest in Vrindavan. So Lakshmi Devi replied, Krishna says, okay, well, then let me just reside on your chest in the form of a golden line. Swarna Rekha. So Krishna looked at Lakshmi Devi. He smiled in his captivating, enchanting, sweet way and said, Tatastu, Bhavatu. Let it be. So since then, Krishna has been carrying the distinguishing mark of Lakshmi's Sona Rekha, golden line on his chest. And another form of Lakshmi is also there receiving the khichdi from the Brijvasis every Thursday in Posha Mas. So don't miss it, next Posh. December, January. Keep it on your calendar. So this is some of the beautiful teachings of the Srimad Bhagavatam, verse 37 from the 10th canto.